Hi, welcome to Azure Fundamentals. We are going to see 20 questions in 20 minutes time frame in section VNet Peering. Let's start. In case if you are new to VNet Peering, please refer the VNet Peering or Virtual Network Peering educational video, and I will be providing the link in the description. And that will helpful for you to do initial preparation. And after that, if you take this question answer session, it will be more easy for you to answer the questions. And you can refer back this educational video, and the link is provided in the description. Well, true or false? In VNet peering, two virtual networks in different regions cannot be connected together. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is false. Using VNet peering, you can connect two virtual networks across region using Microsoft Backbone connectivity. If you look into this question very carefully, the question is VNet peering. Two virtual networks in different regions cannot be connected. Look out, cannot, and that's why the option is selected as false. Next question, true or false? Assume you have three virtual networks, VNet A, VNet B, and VNet C. VNet A is paired with VNet B, and VNet B is paired with VNet C. Is it possible for resources in VNet A connect and communicate with resources in VNet B? Is it true or false, or yes or no? The right answer for this question is no. Resources in VNet A cannot communicate with the resources in VNet C directly, and that is one of an issue with the VNet pairing. Next question, which Azure service allows us to connect to VNet in the same or across the region? Is it network service group or VNet pairing or global pairing or VNet? The right answer for this question is VNet pairing. VNet pairing allows us to connect to VNet in the same or across the regions. That's the right answer. Next question. You want to connect different VNets in the same region as well as different regions, and decide to use VNet pairing to accomplish this task. Which of the following statement is not true about VNet pairing? Option A. The virtual networks can only exist in the same Azure cloud region. Option B. Network traffic between paired network is always private. Option C. Pairing is easy to configure and manage, which require little or no downtime, or none of the above. The right answer for this question is option A. Let's see the reason. The virtual networks can exist in any Azure cloud region. You can connect to virtual network exist in multiple regions using VNet pairing. And so option A is the right answer. Next question, true or false? Network traffic between paired virtual network is through public network. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is option B, that is false. Let's see the reason. Network traffic between paired virtual network is private, and it uses Microsoft Backbone to do communication. Next question, true or false? Data need to be encrypted before moving data from one network to another network when VNet peering is used. The right answer for this question is false. Here, no public internet or gateways or encryption is required in the communication between the virtual network when you are using the VNet pairing. And so option B is the right answer. Next question, the latency between two paired virtual network is same as that of network latency within the virtual network. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is true. The latency is always maintained same as that of latency which is within the virtual network between two virtual machines or multiple virtual machines. Next question, VNet pairing is used for option A, database failover, option B, data replication, option C, disaster recovery, option D, information sharing. Which among the option like A and B or A, B and C or A and C or all the above are correct answer? The right answer for this question is all the above. Uh, in using VNet pairing or in Azure infrastructure, What we have to do is we need to connect the virtual network to each other for sharing traffic, which can be application, backup, replication, recovery, or information sharing. And so, for which database failover, database replication, or disaster recovery, or just sharing information between two virtual network are all considered as one of considered as use of the VNet peering. And so, option D is the correct answer. Next question. In VNet peering, there should not be any overlapping of IP addresses in the virtual network associated. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is true. Let's see the reason. Before pairing at virtual network, check for non-overlapping IP address that will make sure that the expected results will be available when you are integrating two virtual networks using VNet pairing. Next question. With VNet configured between two virtual network, you can achieve high bandwidth or low latency or no downtime issues or all the above. The right answer for this question is all the above. VNet configures the connection with high bandwidth with low latency in the VNet region, and so user will not feel no downtime issues with respect to the resources within the virtual network. And so all the above is the right answer. Next question, true or false? While configuring a VNet, you can block all traffic to the remote virtual network. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is true. Yes, while configuring VNet, you can block traffic to remove a virtual network. And so option A is the right answer. Next question, true or false? You can adjust the address range after successful completion of VNet peering between two virtual network, and that will not affect any VMs running in the virtual network. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is false. Let's see the reason. Once a virtual network paired with another virtual network, then adding or deleting the address range is automatically auto disabled. And so option B is the right answer. Next question, true or false? The traffic between virtual machine in a paired virtual network is routed directly through public network with the encryption enabled. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is false. Let's see the reason. The traffic between virtual machines in a paired virtual network is routed directly through the Microsoft backbone infrastructure, and it is not through either a gateway or through public internet. And so option B is the right answer. Next question, true or false? Virtual network pairing and a data transfer between two virtual network which uses VNet peering as which is chargeable to customer. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is true. There is a nominal charge for ingress or egress traffic that uses virtual network peering connection. And so option A is the right answer. Next question, the network traffic between virtual network using VNet is public, private, or hybrid. The right answer for this question is private. Let's see the reason. Since the traffic between paired virtual network remains on Microsoft backbone network, it remains private without the need of public internet or gateway or even encryption. And so option B is the right answer. Next question, true or false? Gateways are required while configuring the VNet to regularize the traffic. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is false. Let's see the reason. No public internet, gateway, or encryption is required in communication between the virtual network when you are configuring them using VNet peering. Next question, choose odd one out with respect to VNet pairing. Is it private traffic or no downtime or high bandwidth and high latency and low cost? The right answer for this question is high bandwidth and high latency. It's supposed to be high bandwidth and low latency, and so option C is the correct answer. Next question, is it possible to use VNet with on-premises virtual network? Is it yes or no? The right answer for this question is yes. Let's see the reason. It is possible to use Azure Virtual Network with on-premises virtual network through a technology called VPN gateway. VPN gateway allows you to create a secure encrypted connection between your on-premises infrastructure and your Azure VNet. And so option A is the correct answer. Next question, true or false? Downtime is required in the resources under virtual network while configuring a VNet. Is it true or false? The right answer for this question is false. While, while creating a pairing that won't cause any known downtime to the resources when you are configuring the virtual network using VNet peering. Next question, VNet pairing issues occur due to dash. Is it through misconfigured virtual network setting or incorrect routing or network security group rules or all the above? The right answer for this question is all the above. Let's see the reason. VNet pairing issues can occur for a variety of reasons, which include misconfigured virtual network setting, or incorrect routing, or through network security group rules that are blocking the traffic. So, to troubleshoot VNet pairing issues, you can start by checking the status of the pairing connection and then reviewing the settings in the virtual networks involved. You can also check the routing tables in the and the network security group rules to ensure that traffic is being forwarded correctly. And so the right answer for this question is option D, that is all of the above. With that, I end up today's discussion. I hope this video is helpful to you for your exam and interview preparation. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe it, and don't forget to ring the bell, and you will be updated whenever I publish a new video. As usual, this is not the end of the session. We are going to continue with a new topic tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and bye now.